Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, the Caribbean this evening is still under the influence of a very weak trough system that is more so across the southern portion of the Caribbean. We do have a drier pattern that is occurring across most of the Caribbean, so the clouds that we are seeing are mostly low-level clouds. We're not seeing significant shower and thunderstorm clouds across the region. However, we are expecting that over the next few days, dry conditions increase across the general area. High pressure is building from the north. We do have a high pressure system across the Gulf and another high pressure that is just north of the Caribbean area. The forecast for tonight is for partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies across most of the island. The temperatures are dropping to about 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and to about 23 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Expect northerlies on the south coast tonight and southeasterlies on the north. Now, the forecast for tomorrow is for mostly cloudy conditions across sections of the east, but we do have it partly cloudy elsewhere across central and western parishes. And then for the afternoon, look for some isolated showers, mainly across inland areas. Temperatures are reaching 32 degrees Celsius in Kingston. We expect temperatures to reach 31 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now, our breakdown has partly cloudy conditions for most of the area. Expected to be generally sunny for Portmore, also for Negril, for Black River, and for Kingston. Further west, we are expecting partly cloudy conditions as well. We do have some isolated showers in the forecast for sections of Duncans and sections of Cave Valley. We are also expecting some showers in the morning in Moortown. Now, the next few days, partly cloudy conditions persist throughout the area. That's on Friday as well as Saturday and Sunday. For the marine forecast, on the north coast tomorrow, the winds are east-northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots. Wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, expect the winds from the east at 10 to 15 knots. Wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. And for offshore areas, winds are easterly at 15 to 20 knots, while wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters. Now, the outlook has the winds across the area to be out of the east-northeast on Friday as well as on Saturday and Sunday, speeds between 15 and 20 knots, with wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 5:47, at 5:50 in Mandeville, and 5:53 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.